200 people in a facility whose capacity is supposed to be 250. That is a 1,500% its capacity. The kids in the Biden cages, they weren't 6 feet apart or 3 feet apart, and we're in the middle of a pandemic. They weren't even 6 inches apart. They were literally lying side by side, touching each other, crammed in there as tight as humanly possible. They were lying on the floor. There are no beds, no cots, no mats. Lying on the floor, they're covered up in reflective aluminum foil emergency blankets. And the rate of COVID positivity in that facility is 10%. If any school, if any nursery, if any daycare crowded kids in and made them sleep side by side, touching in the middle of a pandemic, and had a 10% COVID positivity, they'd be shut down in a heartbeat. And instead, the Biden administration's approach is hide it, deny it, declare it's not a crisis, and try to keep the media out. As you know, I asked for the media to come with us into that facility. Fox News wanted to embed with us. You sent a reporter down to join us. ABC News wanted to embed with us. And the Biden administration said no reporters, no cameras.
Now, by the way, this is important, Senator. My cameras were denied access, and you were generous enough to share your videos with us, or else we wouldn't have had them.
And that's what the Biden administration wanted. And they sent a political minder from D.C. whose sole job, as far as I can tell, was to try to stop senators from taking pictures or videos. We pulled out our phones and just started taking pictures and videos. This minder jumped in front of my camera, repeatedly tried to block me showing the Biden pages, block it for themselves. And they desperately wanted to cover it up. Now, here's a bit of good news,
By
Sean.
the way, I actually saw a little bit of Mike Wallace. Remember back in the old days, the old 60 Minutes? I saw a little Mike Wallace and Senator Ted Cruz, and I'm not saying that flippantly. You were very polite, but also, excuse me, I'm a U.S. Senator. I'm taking these videos.
Well, yeah, and her defense was respect these people. Look, the way the Biden administration is treating them is not respecting them, crowding them in where it's a danger to their health and their lives, and then hiding it from the American people is not respecting them. And all other recent administrations have allowed the press into those facilities. Trump did, Obama did, Bush did, Clinton did. It's only Biden that tried to block the press. Here's the good news, Sean. We put out the videos, we put out the pictures, and the public attention and pressure was so much that this week the Biden administration came and allowed media cameras in there. They couldn't take the heat. And that really is a testament to the 19 senators that went down there and showed the light, but also a testament to the American people who are outraged at what the Biden administration is doing to these children.
Listen, I stand by what I say. Imagine, Senator, now you're also a constitutional attorney. You've argued before the U.S. Supreme Court. Alan Dershowitz has said many times to me and on air that you are one of the best students he's ever had, and he doesn't always agree with you, obviously, politically, and a national debate champ on top of all of that. And I've got to tell you something, that you tell me from a legal perspective, if I ran a daycare center and cameras came in to my center and those videos were taken in those Biden cages or like cages, would I be arrested? Would I likely be charged with abuse of children?
I think the odds are